Hello, hello, and welcome to this live broadcast. This is Javier Orozco, and I am broadcasting live from the beautiful city of Monteria, Colombia. And it is time for this live uh, training from our digital wealth. Okay, and we are about to start. First of all, I just want to tell you that I want to ask you for be subscribe to our channel. So I'm going to show you where do you need to go. You just need to go to YouTube and hit the subscribe button there in our channel. I'm going to share my screen so that you can see better there. Let me check here. Okay. And please, if you like this live broadcast, if you think that this resonates with you and you like the message that we're providing, please just hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the like button as well. For me, it would be like really great to have these lives or this subscription and more subscribers every single time. So I just want to congratulate to all the ones that are involved in this live webinar training. Okay, I am going to share this. This is the YouTube channel so that you can hit the subscribe button there. And I have a few videos. I need to do more videos so that you can see them, all of them. This is the digital wealth YouTube channel. And I hope that you just like what I'm going to share with you. So just let me hit the share button so that I can share my screen. Let me see. Share the slides. Going to present them. See. Okay, presentation mode. Full screen. Okay, here we go. So what you are watching right now is this topic that I have prepared for all of you guys. It is all about DAPPS and what is the definition of a DAPP and what does it have and all the topics surrounding and let's see all the topics surrounding these things about DAPPS. Let me just check if we are broadcasting live. Yes, we are. Okay, here we go. So, as I told you, the topic is about DAPPS and what is it and why is it so important? So, in this case, the topics or the main points that I'm going to share with you is what is a DAPP, the transparency and trust, smart contracts, how DAPPS work, why use DAPPS. So if you think this topic resonates with you, just please hit the share button and subscribe. I'm going to do something else here so that all of you can have it. Let me see. Just hold on a second. This is a live training, so we have live problems. So I just need to solve some situations which are live at this time. So please just give me this 10 seconds. 10 seconds, please, so that I can solve this situation here. And I think it's all about the thumbnail. Let me just choose an appropriate thumbnail for this topic because I have already prepared one. Here we go. This is the one that I want. Yes. Okay. And this is okay. This is about that's title language. US. Okay, that's it. I'm going to share this on Facebook so that you can see this live broadcast. all of you who are watching there at home and the ones who are going to watch this live, please just show more reciprocity and hit the share button. I want to say thank you if you do that. I just thank you so much. Say thank you to you who are going to share this live button for me. Please do it. I'll appreciate it so much. So let's go back to the main topic here. I'm just going to hit the share button by myself so that you can also find it. What is there? Oh my God. Why is it so complicated? I am taking like an eternity. Okay, here if it says share, but it doesn't share. Okay, let's hit the share button once again. Okay, this is Facebook. Let's go back to Facebook. Okay, I'm going to share this on my Facebook profile. And if you see that live broadcast there, please just hit the share button. As you can see, it has the same title, which is live DAPPS explain what are DAPPS decentralized applications. So it is public so that you can share it easily. Okay. And I'm going to share it on Twitter as well. So please hit the retweet button there and the fads for Twitter. And as you already know, this is something that I need to solve during the live broadcast. And it takes a few moments to share this. Just taking like an eternity here. So once I've done this, I'm going to restart the topic. Okay. Here we go. It says okay. Right. Here we go again. Okay, and of course, if you want to follow me on social media, you can also do it on Twitter, and you can also do it on Facebook. So this is my social media, so that you can follow me there on Twitter. And this is digital wealth at digital wealth. How do you say that? Hyphen, low hyphen. We have a low hyphen W. That is the ad. And there you can see our logo here, DW, digital wealth. That stands for digital wealth. This is our Facebook, and this is our Twitter. And on Facebook, you can find us. You can find us at digitalwealth.dw, I guess. Let me just look it up on Facebook. I think that is the one. I don't want to get in troubles giving you a wrong account. But this is so important for me because in that way I can grow more my YouTube channel. In that way you can find me there on YouTube. You can find me also on Facebook. This is a public Facebook page, and I'm going to show you right away because we want to grow a little bit more there on Facebook. That would be great for me if you just hit the like and subscribe button there. So this is the one I'm going to show you. Let me see. Let me see. Share. Okay, here. Okay, this is our Facebook page. I think you are watching it there. I think so. So it is Digital Wealth at digitalwealth.w. I think you are watching it. Yes, that is the one. So as you can see, there is a trigger button or trigger message that I just programmed, and once I go live, you can see this message on Twitter and on Facebook. It says I'm broadcasting live right now via YouTube. Connect and follow me on social media of Digital Wealth and Javier Orozco. Hashtag Digital Wealth, hashtag Javier Orozco. So I just want to say thank you if you follow me on social media. Let's go back to the main topics, and it is all about that. So I was sharing with you the main points or the main topics for this training, and I was telling you about smart contracts. What is the correct definition there? How DAPPS work and why use DAPPS. Now, apart from that, I'm going to start with the main definition. What is a DAPP? It stands for decentralized applications. That is what DAPPS mean. And they are applications, they are digital applications that run on a decentralized or peer-to-peer network of computers instead of a single computer. It is not controlled by a single authority. That is the difference for all those that, or well, let's say those apps that we are familiarized with. So these are kind of different. Okay, apart from that, the mobile applications are controlled by a single authority, but DApps are controlled by multiple computers on a decentralized network that combines a smart contract and a front-end user interface. This is very important to bear in mind. For example, a developer can create a Facebook Live DApp and put it on a blockchain where any user can publish. Once posted, no one, including the app creators, cannot delete the messages. So as you can see, this is kind of different there. We have a different kind of app, and that is why they are called dApps. So as it is decentralized, there are no modifications after you can post or make some changes there. DApps can do anything like web or mobile apps can do, while maintaining privacy, keeping immutable records, and bypassing middlemen. So there are no people, no companies in the middle. So that is the main focus here. Okay, transparency and trust. Let's talk about this. And this is quite relevant in the DAPPS world. Open source is the foundation of DAPPS, along with decentralization, where all records are stored on a public blockchain that encourages transparency, trust, and efficiency. For example, Ethereum. Do you know Ethereum? That is a really worldwide known cryptocurrency. It is a really nice technology. It was the first to build smart contracts, the concept of smart contracts on its blockchain, making dApps possible for everyone. Many people believe that the first dApp was Bitcoin, though in a limited sense, as it is only allowed for transferring currency without a need for an intermediary. Bitcoin is an implemented blockchain solution that arose due to problems with the centralization system. If you study all the history about Bitcoin, you will find out how a crisis led to the creation of Bitcoin. It was back in 2008, 2009, more than 13 years ago, I guess. Also, okay, about transparency and trust. The Ethereum network is also known as a dApp library. It enables developers to write smart contracts stored on Ethereum blockchain. These smart contracts are stored on every node on the networks, making them decentralized applications rather than developing an entire application. Ethereum created a secure platform where dApps can be deployed. For building dApps, Ethereum has its own programming language called Solidity. So if you realize and if you find out some more info about this, please just look it up. And there is plenty of information about this programming language called Solidity, which allows developers to code and run any application on the Ethereum virtual machine. That is what in the letters EVM stands for. In a decentralized manner, EVM can be described as a distributed computer that is perfectly defined through a consensus algorithm. Okay, apart from that, the most important definition here could be smart contracts. If you want to have more info about smart contracts, please just hit the message section and write any comments. If you want to find more info about this, I can also share about this smart contracts topic for you to have more info about it, and we can share another live training about this. Almost all dApps have smart contracts at their core. These are self-executing agreements with the terms between buyer and seller written into the code. So a buyer and seller agree on those terms, and it is all coded, and it can not be changed once it is deployed. Smart contracts are settled automatically when predetermined conditions are met between buyer and seller, doing away with intermediaries that inject cost and risk into transactions. Smart contracts can also be written and executed privately without the need to identify the parties. So it is what the nature of these cryptos is called decentralization. dApps, how do they work? DApps have their backend called smart contracts running on a decentralized network and not a centralized server. They use the Ethereum blockchain for data storage and smart contracts. And smart contract is like a set of rules that live on chain for all to see and run exactly according to those rules. Imagine an ATM machine. If you follow the process, supply it with the right information and have money in your bank account, you'll get the amount you are looking for. And like ATM machines, smart contracts can hold funds much like your Ethereum account. This allows Go to mediate agreements and transactions. Once dApps are deployed on the Ethereum network, you can change them. You cannot change them. dApps can be decentralized because they are controlled by the logic written into the contract and not an individual or a company. Why do we need to use dApps? Okay, trust. Trust is something very important here. You never have to take the word of a big corporations, PR current agencies. All the codes are open source. You can see that your application does or doesn't. Guaranteed execution, because the code is executed across the enormous network, you get the desired results. As long as a single node exists, the network practically never goes offline as long as your code exists on it. We all know sometimes Facebook, Twitter is down, but this never happens on blockchain networks. Censorship resistance, another huge benefit there. Another benefit of codes executed on the blockchain is that it is impossible to take down the application without taking down every single node on the network. So this is a huge benefit there. For example, if you release a banking application better than the bank can just buy it from you and close it down, as the application is always available on the blockchain for everyone to use it. Due to open source, transparent, secure, and built on decentralized networks, dApps are becoming very popular with billions of dollars in market capitalization and thousands of active users today. Okay, if you have any questions, you can also find this info in an article from this guy called Jagdish Kumar on their clever website. That is where I get this info from. Okay, and please, if you want to follow me and just hit the bell notifications to receive my messages and all those things. You can find me on Instagram as @digitalwealth.w, or my another account, which is javierorozco.im. On Facebook, you can find me on @digitalwealth.w and @javierorozco.im. And on Twitter, you can find me as digitalwealth_w, and with my other account, which is @javierorozco_im. Okay, and that's it for today. And if you like this info, is this resonate with you, please just subscribe, hit the like button, hit the comment section, and share your thoughts, your questions, or your comments, and share it with someone else who may need this info. I just appreciate you that you do that, so that we can grow and grow and grow even more every single time. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for staying during all this time. Sorry for the late delay. I just want to say thank you and see you in a next live training on digital